In this video, I'll show you how to cast your phone to your smart TV. This is very easy. If you find the video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So, one thing common about smart TV is that you can always cast your smartphone to your smart TV. So to cast your smartphone to your smart TV, there's an application that you have to use, and I'm going to show you the application. First of all, to get the application, you need this application called Downloader. If you don't have Downloader on your smart TV, check the description of this video. You're going to see a link that's going to help you to get downloaded on your smart TV. So downloader helps you get any useful application APKs that you need for your smart TV or Android TV. So in this case, we're going to be needing an application that can help us cast our phone to our smart TV. And the best application for that option is called Miracast. So to get Miracast, we're going to come over to the search box here and search for the keyword Miracast. As I said, Miracast is an application that helps you cast your phone to your smart TV or Android TV. So once you search Miracast, Downloader is going to show us the option that we can download from the internet to use and cast our phone to our smart TV. So let's go ahead and see what Downloader has for us. So as you can see on my screen right now, here are the various options of Miracast that you can install, and this option here is the best option. So if you go ahead and install this, you can go ahead to use the application to cast your phone to your smart TV using Wi-Fi. So it's very easy to use. Just go ahead and install the application and start using.